Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what is a QuickBooks ProAdvisor. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. A QuickBooks ProAdvisor is a person who is a QuickBooks certified independent accounting professional who can provide exceptional solutions to help increase a business sales and revenue. At Shillingford's Bookkeeping and Tax Services, we specialize in QuickBooks accounting software, and we use our skills and expertise as a QuickBooks ProAdvisor to serve small business owners nationwide with their QuickBooks, bookkeeping, payroll, and tax preparation needs. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.